Did you know that due to changes in the Florida Building Code, you are a candidate for retrofit on your home if your home was built in the early 90s or earlier? A typical return on investment for this work is 1 year and even often less, and your home is much safer in the event of a high windstorm. Typically, this work is done right through the attic access of your home, and the average job time is around 2 hours. Access can also be gained through the soffit vents or roof decking if we are unable to get through the attic. It's important to hire a licensed contractor to do this work for you. Some underwriters will not accept the work if you do not use a licensed contractor. Then after the work is completed, a third-party wind mitigation inspector will come in to document the work to submit for your insurance savings. That way we will have 2 licensed professionals checking the work for accuracy. For more information, go to thirdnail.com.